how to turn off pages you manage SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off pages you manage SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click the three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click notifications and go down. Here you will find pages you manage, and then click cheat, select your page and go down, click page interactions and turn off SMS. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.